Tonight on Rich News 24, an unusual gathering has city officials watching closely. Women from all across the city are gathering tonight around what many are calling the RYCH Society.
What they got going on out there now?
Hold on, let me hear this. Witnesses say women have been arriving all evening.
Mama, what's a society?
Something important. Others say it's changing. Authorities say crowds continue forming as rumors spread about a powerful underground network, teaching women how to create their own money, their own platforms, and their own influence. Reporting live for Rich News 24, I'm Robin Milan. Behind me, crowds continue gathering after reports surfaced about a rapidly growing movement called the RYCH Society. Ma'am, why are people coming out tonight? Baby, folks say women finally learning how to do for themselves. Ain't nobody waiting around no more. What made you come? Because I'm tired of watching everybody else get ahead. What have you heard about the RYCH Society? They say women build their own thing now, own money, own audience, own power. And you believe that? Shoot, look around, everybody trying to hear something different. The energy continues growing by the minute, but what exactly is the RYCH Society? We now go back. Thank you, Robin. Tonight we speak directly with the woman behind what many are calling a new era for women. Joining us now, Robin Milan, to tell us what exactly is the RYCH Society. Women are waking up. For years, women waited to be discovered, waited for permission. But now, the RYCH Society teaches women how to build their own network media, their own...
How do you think women are responding to this?
Because women are tired of being invisible. They want ownership. They want financial power. And for the first time, this is they don't have to wait anymore. Reporting live for RYCH News 24, history may be changing tonight. I'm joining the RYCH Society. Let me get my checkbook.